Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best power scrubbers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER PKS 160 Power Scrubber. Anyone that already has a number of BLACK+DECKER power tools is bound to be anticipating lots of positive results with this one of the best power scrubber items found online today. The submersible design of this top scrubbing tool allows the user to feel much safer compared to using tools that do not have this feature. And as BLACK+DECKER PKS 160 Power Scrubber weighs only 12.8 ounces, users are unlikely to complain about being tired due to carrying heavy scrubbing tools. The durable scraper edge is also perfect for tackling the kinds of gunk and other stains that can easily wear you out before you decide to add this superb tool to your bathroom scrubbing team. Moving on at number 4, we have the FRUITEAM Electric Spin Scrubber. The FRUITEAM Electric Spin Scrubber is an affordable power scrubber, perfect for bringing your bathroom and laminate floors back to life. It has an extendable design, allowing you to scrub the floor without bending down, ideal for people with back problems. Alternatively, you can retract the pole and get up close. With the scrubber, you get 3 replaceable brush heads, varying in size and stiffness. Powered by a 2000 mAh battery, the FRUITEAM Electric Spin Scrubber has 3.7 volts of power. It takes around 4 hours to charge and will run continuously for 1 hour. That should be plenty of time to get your bathroom looking brand new. On top of all that, it comes with a 1-year quality assurance warranty. That should give you peace of mind when you buy it. At number 3, we have the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber might look like an electric toothbrush, but we wouldn't recommend putting it anywhere near your mouth. No, this little beast is designed to bring the toughest stains up from sinkholes, car wheels, laminate flooring, and more. It's not the best tool on this list for large-scale cleaning jobs, but you probably guessed that from the picture. This is for cleaning specific areas, really well. It has an oscillating head that spins 60 times a second, so you don't need to scrub at all. It does all the work for you. There are 2 settings, pulse and continuous, giving you some versatility when it comes to working on a stain. It's also worth mentioning that the whole tool is water resistant, so you can work in wet areas without worrying. The handle is made from rubber and has an ergonomic fit that's comfortable to hold for long periods. At number 2, we have the Dremel Versa Kitchen and Bathroom Scrub. It stands to reason that most people who purchase this product will hope to be able to make their life more convenient, including the removal of stubborn bathroom and kitchen stains. And with the easy-to-use USB port to charge the tool up, things couldn't get any better for folk who plan to blast horrible mold out of their home with a powerful scrubbing tool like Dremel Versa Kitchen and Bathroom Scrub. In fact, as power scrubber products go, this model is probably up there with the best of them. We only have to listen to what many consumers of this power scrubber are saying about it to realize that we need to put it in our online basket. Our guide to the best carpet rakes features more amazing products that will help you keep your home looking spotless. And finally at number 1, we have the Clorox Scrubtastic Multi-Purpose Surface Scrubber and Cleaner. There's no point in throwing in the towel when we are having a difficult time getting rid of unsightly and potentially unhealthy smudges and spots in the kitchen area, bathroom or pantry. Indeed, buying Clorox Scrubtastic Multi-Purpose Surface Scrubber and Cleaner, which isn't too different to a hurricane spin scrubber, should be the only thing you need to do to tackle stubborn stains anywhere around the home. The fact that it is an all-purpose scrubber too only enhances its superb qualities. And if you do find that time is becoming more and more scarce, you'll love the fact that scrubbing tiles or tubs with this baby can be finished at a fraction of the time that it took before using this powerful tool. For more handy cleaning products for your home, Check out our guide to the best dustpans and brushes. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.